Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to sign up and create Kik account. First open your Chrome and go to kik.com. Here click on sign up. You can sign up by filling this or use Google. First let's sign up using this. Just fill this up, all the information and click on sign up. After, they will send you a verification on the Gmail that you use. Now let's try using Google. Click on it and select a Gmail account you want to use. Input username and birth date. Save and click on accept. Now you have successfully created a Kik account. And that's it.